Castor oil has been used for centuries for its various health benefits. Whether you're seeking to rejuvenate your skin, stimulate hair growth, or find relief from nagging aches and pains, castor oil offers a myriad of health benefits that could transform your self-care regimen. Let us look at the top 5 health benefits of castor oil. At number 1, improves skin health. Castor oil is an excellent moisturizer due to its high content of ricinoleic acid, a fatty acid that helps retain moisture in the skin. Castor oil can reduce inflammation and soothe irritated skin conditions like psoriasis and eczema. Castor oil promotes wound healing by stimulating tissue growth and reducing dryness and the buildup of dead skin cells. At number 2, improves hair health. Regular application of castor oil can promote hair growth and improve scalp health due to its moisturizing properties. Its antimicrobial and antifungal properties can help treat scalp infections and dandruff. Castor oil can strengthen hair strands, reduce breakage, and add shine. At number 3, natural laxative. Castor oil is a potent natural laxative, commonly used to relieve constipation. It stimulates bowel movements by increasing the movement of the intestines. At number 4, joint and muscle pain relief. Applying castor oil to sore muscles or joints can help reduce inflammation and alleviate pain, making it beneficial for conditions like arthritis. And finally, at number 5, helps in maternity and lactation. Traditionally, castor oil has been used to induce labor, though this should only be done under medical supervision. Nursing mothers can use castor oil to soothe sore or cracked nipples, though it should be thoroughly cleaned off before breastfeeding. Embrace the transformative power of castor oil and transform yourself into a brighter, healthier you. As you incorporate this natural wonder into your daily routine, you will discover its remarkable ability to nourish your body from the inside and out. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.